Today I'm going to show you how to plan a radial layout for your project. You will need to start with a couple different supplies. I'd like you to get a compass if you have one, but if you don't, you can also look for some circular tools such as lids, tape, and other items that you might find around the house. If you measure, find something that's at least 6 inches across. And also I'd like you to have a ruler. First thing you're going to do is measure an 8x8 box. So you're going to take your ruler, make a mark at the bottom and the top of the paper at the 8-inch mark, and then draw a line connecting your dots. Turn your paper and you're going to mark 8 inches at the top and also again at the bottom and draw straight through. After you do this, you'll notice that you have a nice perfect square to draw within. If it bothers you, you can cut the paper, otherwise just leave it for now. Next thing you're going to do is mark 4 inches and turn your paper, find the center, mark 4 inches again. You're going to have to take a guess at first, but you can see that where the 2 lines overlap, you will be able to put a dot and know that this exactly is dead center. Now you can see here you have 2 different layouts to choose from. You can do the center radial, or you can also do something that is weighted at the bottom in the example, or maybe even at the top. Choose one and begin your layout. If you have a compass to use, you can go ahead and put the compass marker in the center. Make sure that the circle covers the 8-inch square, but also does not run off the paper. You can leave just a little bit of space. The next thing you're going to want to do is draw 2 more circles inside. If you don't have a compass, you can easily find circular objects, and you're going to have to look and check to make sure that you are centered, or you can choose a bottom weighted design instead. You're going to need a few different size circles if you are going to use objects, so you're going to have to look around a little bit before you begin. Do this in pencil, please, and make sure that everything looks nice and even before you begin designing your objects. So here are the finished examples from Mrs. Corpy and Mrs. Regan. You can see that mine is centered and Mrs. Regan's is bottom weighted. So please choose one layout or the other to start yourself off.